morning, students. On Saturday we have started this chapter, indices. In this indices chapter we completed this practice set 26. Then today practice set 27. Multiplication of indices with the same base. Multiplication of indices with same base. If a is any rational number and m and n are these any two positive integers, then a raised to the m into a raised to the n is equal to m plus 1. A is any rational number. A is any rational number and m and n are two positive integers. When two numbers are with the same base, here a integer a indices m into a indices n is equal to this multiplication rational number of this a is and m are n are these two positive integers. Then two numbers base is same. Here take one here same, and here product of these two numbers right here, addition of these indices means a raised to the m into a raised to the n is equal to a m plus n. This is the formula of this multiplication of indices. See one example. Minus 2 indices 3 into minus 2 indices 4 is equal to, see here base is same, minus 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2 raised to the power 4. In these two numbers here base is same, minus 2 minus 2, then you write here minus 2. Then product of these two numbers, then you write here addition 3 plus 4 is minus 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Again one example see. 5 9 into 5 3. Here also base same, then you write here 5 9 into 3 means 9 plus 3, then 5 9 plus 3 12. 5 raised to the power of this 12. Then see this practice set 27. Simplify. Practice set 27. 7. First one. 7 raised to the power 4 into 7 raised to the power of this 2. Here also base is same. Use this formula. 7 4 plus 2. 7 raised to the power these two numbers, addition means here 6. Then second number C. Minus 11 raised to the power 5 into minus 11 raised to the power 2. Here also base same, minus 11. Then you write here addition of these two numbers 5 plus 2 minus 11 raised to the power of this 7. Third one. 6 by 7 raised to the power 3 in second bracket 6 by 7 raised to the power 5. Then here also base same, then 6 divided by 7. Here multiplication means addition, right? 3 plus 5. 6 by 7 here 8. Then fourth one see. Minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 5 into minus 3 by 2 here raised to the power 3. Minus 3 by 2 here to these two numbers indices this addition minus 3 by 2 and 5 plus 3 8. Minus 3 by 2 raised to the power of this 8. Then fifth one see. power 6 into a raised to the power 7. Here also base same. A 16 plus 7. Then a raised to the power this 23. Then 6 1. P divided by 5 raised to the power 3 into P divided by 5 raised to the power of this 7. And indices this same P raised to the power of 5 3 plus 7. Then P divided by 5 3 plus 7 raised to the power of this 10. Then division of indices with the same base. Division of indices with same base. With same base. Same. If a is any non-zero rational number and m and n are these positive integers, then what here? A raised to the power m divided a raised to the power n. Here also base same. Then here division, then you here subtract of this indices a m minus n. A raised to the power of this m minus n. This second formula of this division of indices. See one example. 2 raised to the power of 5 division 2 raised to the power of 3. Here base is same. Then use this formula 2. Here division means indices of this subtraction. 2 5 minus 3 2 means 2 raised to the power of this 2. Again one example see. Minus 3 again one method of this division. See, minus 3 raised to the power of 6 division minus 3 raised to the power of this 3. See here, minus 3 raised to the power of this 6 means minus 3. You write here this 6 times. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. How many times? 4, 5 and here 6. Then here division means divided. Minus 3 raised to the power here 3. Then here minus 3 right here 3 times. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Then this minus 3 same. Here also same. Then how many remain this minus 3? How many times? 1, 2, 3. And this method use formula of this minus 3, 6, here minus, here 3. Then minus 3, here 6 minus 3 raised to the power of this 3. Any one method you use. Answer is same. Then if A is any non-zero rational number, if A is any non-zero rational numbers, then what? A raised to the power of 0 is equal to value of this only 1. See one example. A raised to the power of m division a raised to the power of this m. Then here m same means a m minus m. A m minus m 0 means a raised to the power of 0, then value is 1. Here see, when a raised to the power of 0, then value is here 1. if a raised to the power of this minus m minus m, a raised to the power of this minus m, then is equal to a raised to the power of minus m is equal to a minus m into 1. Then here minus number, no, here minus a raised to the power of minus m, then you convert into in this positive integer, means reverse of this number, 1 divided by a raised to the power of this m. A minus m is the multiplicative inverse of this a divided by m. Consider 4 by 5 minus 3. 4 by 5 minus 3. Then what is this? 1 divided by 4 by 5. Here 3 means answer is 5 divided by 4 of this raised to power of this 3, inverse of this multiplicative inverse of this numbers. Multiplicative inverse of this numbers. Then suppose a divided by b minus m here. A divided by b raised to the power of minus m, means if a is equal to not 0 and b is equal to not 0 and m is this positive integer, then what here? The inverse of these numbers b divided by a and minus m means here plus m. b divided by m, a and minus m into positive integer, here a b, inverse of this right here b divided by a raised to the power of this m. Then in this type you simplify this practice set 28 division of indices with the same base. In homework, today's homework, practice set 27. Okay, then remaining part tomorrow.